Have you ever wanted to create a professional website but felt overwhelmed by coding, complicated tools, or expensive developers? Imagine being able to build a fully functional website in minutes, just by describing what you want. That is exactly what SiteBuddy AI promises to do. SiteBuddy AI is a powerful AI-driven website creation platform designed for beginners, entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small business owners who want to launch websites quickly without technical skills. Instead of spending days learning complicated website builders, SiteBuddy AI allows you to generate a complete website with just a simple prompt. Think about it. You simply enter your website idea, maybe a local business site, an affiliate marketing page, a personal portfolio, or even a landing page for your online product. Within moments, the AI begins building your website automatically. It generates the layout, the content, the structure, and the design. What used to take hours or even days can now happen in minutes. One of the most impressive features of SiteBuddy AI is its intelligent content generation. The platform does not just build empty pages, it actually writes headlines, descriptions, and sections that are relevant to your niche. This means you do not have to struggle with writer's block or spend hours thinking about what to write on each page. The AI does the heavy lifting for you. Another reason why so many users are excited about SiteBuddy AI is its beginner-friendly editor. Once your site is generated, you can easily customize it using a visual drag-and-drop interface. You can adjust sections, change text, update images, and modify the design without touching a single line of code. Even if you have never built a website before, you can still create something that looks professional and polished. Speed is another huge advantage. Traditional website development can take days or weeks, depending on complexity. With SiteBuddy AI, the process is dramatically faster. Many users report generating their first working website in just a few minutes. For entrepreneurs who want to move quickly, this kind of speed can make a big difference. SiteBuddy AI is also designed with mobile users in mind. Every website created on the platform is fully responsive, meaning it automatically adjusts to look great on smartphones, tablets, and desktops. Since most internet traffic today comes from mobile devices, this feature ensures your site looks professional everywhere. Another valuable feature is built-in hosting. Normally, when you create a website, you need to purchase hosting separately, configure servers, and deal with technical settings. SiteBuddy AI simplifies this process by including hosting directly inside the platform. You can build, edit, and publish your website all in one place. For freelancers and digital marketers, SiteBuddy AI opens up exciting opportunities. Instead of spending hours designing websites for clients, you can generate professional sites quickly and then customize them for different businesses. This allows you to deliver projects faster while potentially increasing your income. Affiliate marketers can also benefit from this platform. Creating landing pages, product pages, and niche websites becomes incredibly easy when AI handles most of the work. This means you can launch campaigns faster and focus more on marketing and traffic generation. Small business owners will find SiteBuddy AI especially useful because it removes many of the barriers that usually stop people from building websites. You no longer need to hire expensive developers or learn complicated software. With just a few clicks, you can establish your online presence and start reaching customers. In a world where having a website is essential, tools like SiteBuddy AI are making the process easier and faster than ever before. Whether you are starting a new business, launching a product, promoting affiliate offers, or building websites for clients, this platform offers a simple and powerful solution. If you are curious to see how SiteBuddy AI works and want to explore its features yourself, check out the link in the description below. It might just be the easiest way to turn your website idea into reality.